This short video is going to show you how you can check your tutorial dates and times, as well as access any online tutorials you might be doing as part of the Scholars Programme. So you have logged into the hub, you are on your tasks page as usual, and you can see some tabs along the top here. Click on the tutorials tab. On here, you'll be able to see the different tutorials that you have coming up. So we've got tutorial 1 here taking place on the 1st of August 2022 at 4 p.m. and that continues right up until tutorial 7. You might have online tutorials, you might have in-school tutorials. Your teacher will let you know which you're taking part in. If your tutorials are in school, your teacher will let you know where you need to go for that. If they are online, you might be joining from home. And if you are, when you come to this tutorials page, you'll be able to click where it says online to join those sessions. So if you click on here, it'll open another tab and you'll have the option to join our Teams tutorials. You can continue on this browser, which is probably the easiest thing for you to do. When you finish that tutorial, you can just close the tab down and return back to the hub for whatever it is that you might need to do on there, whether it is to complete a task or to send a message to your tutor. And that's it. Those are your tutorials, your dates and times are here, and where it's taking place is shared here for you. So I hope you enjoy those tutorials when you get to take part in them.